All right, we're out here in the garage and we actually have the electronics with the Arduino board, Bluetooth, and the BlackBerry controlling it, all working it. Down here you can see our fantastic board that's connected to everything. And we can pair up our phone to be able to work with the board here. So if we open up our controller, we can see that we've got the Batberry there. It's currently paired, so we've got that all connected up. So if we go into the controls, oh, do I need to connect
Long
it?
click connect, yeah.
Okay. Let's connect. And then we got our controls here. So these right now are just simple forward, backwards. We've got 4 different banks of switches on here with some relays that basically reverse direction of the flow. So whether it's positive, negative, or negative, positive, onto the different actuators. So the cool part is that the actuators have limit switches on them, so you never burn out any of the motors, and we've got timers set up on how long we actually want power to the relays going across. So we wired up bank 4 here, I believe it is, to be able to power the machine guns. So let's open up the machine guns here. So we'll press the open. And up come our machine guns. And it's right now it's a timer in there for 40 seconds. We can actually do it for a lot less than that. It's all just done with the software inside of the application. But if we hit down on the connector, they come back down and right back where they began. So we've got 4 separate circuits of reversible polarity. And of course, we wanted to get the canopy working as well. So if we press our channel 1 to open, you'll see that it starts popping open on the car here as well. So you can stop it at any time as well by just disrupting the current with the controller, or keep it going in the same direction there. So here you see the canopy come all the way open. It's all no binding. It still needs a little bit more support. But if we hit it in the reverse direction on the controller here, you can hear the relays click away, and back comes the canopy to be able to set it back down into position. So that's some of the systems actually being controlled by the BlackBerry through Arduino and a set of relays on here. We'll probably hook up a few other things like maybe some actuators that we've got for lifting the hood up and down for when I'm putting the hood on the car. And I've actually got a hideaway license plate on the front that actually runs on a reverse polarity as well that we'll probably do. So that was what we put together. I'd like to thank Rob, who came over to make sure all this stuff works, created the circuit board on all this stuff. I couldn't have done it without his help.
You're welcome to.